I saw a cloud, it looked like a bird. It whispered a name I thought I misheard. The sky was velvet, stitched with gold, and time was a secret it never told. Who's hiding there in the silver mist? A phantom's hand or a lover's kiss? Whistle through the stars, sing to the moon, catch the night's breath in a quiet tune. Oh, whistle through the stars, carry me far to the edge of dreams where shadows are. A tree grew tall where the sea once lay. Its roots were stories washed away. The wind hummed secrets I tried to keep, but they slip like sand into the deep. I thought I saw your face today, but I just turned my head away, your face against the trees. But I just see the memories as they